Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to find and install the best Shopify apps for your store. To find and install the best Shopify apps for your store, start by visiting the Shopify App Store directly from your admin panel or by going to apps.shopify.com. Use the search bar to browse categories like marketing, shopping, or customer support to explore apps based on your need. Look for apps with high rating, positive recent review, and those marked as built for Shopify, since these trends to be more reliable and integrate well with your store. So once you find an app that suits your need, click Add App, then approve the installation. Most app comes with a free trial or a free plan, so you can test before committing. After installing, you will configure the app for your app tab in Shopify and adjust settings like automation rules, appearance, or sync option depending on what the app does. So whether you want upsell tools, email marketing, live chat, or inventory sync, the App Store is your one-stop shopping for adding powerful features to boost sales and streamline your workflow. And that's it.